Hi, I'm Dr. Lynn Lipskis. One of the most frequently asked questions that I get is, should I be concerned about snoring? The answer is absolutely. Snoring is a problem that can be indicative of a more serious medical disorder called sleep apnea. But snoring in itself increases your risk of stroke. Stroke is a very serious medical condition. On the other hand, your bed partner probably really doesn't like it very much when you're noisy and keep them up all night. You know, sometimes I hear about married couples sleeping alone for years. That's horrible. You should get together again. So give me a call and we'll see what we can do about that snoring for you. The phone number is 630-762-8700.